Apollo Kiniton kadie sako otemo tubo Stephen Nasungese balebe itunga icheji asia lemaro program LUKA Parish Development Model narai mame patana dumuni sirigini kotoma.
It is too hard to get it because since PDM was brought in Kadie Parish, it was last year, I think in June, when the program reached Kadie. Up to now, people have not received the money, so it has made some people to let me say, some people are not willing to continue with the PDM.
Apollo Kinitone program lo Parish Development Model Kokalake District Beatrice Ayeto ngese balebe mama pugani jai kitikesi sirgin luetolote program ibore yene raya ningosi kedado kena nuadu muni sirgini julujula siangini paran.
To have the paperwork of printing this stationery, we can't do it all, and at the end of the day a cooperative has to run alone. That means they have to be able to move out to where there is a photocopier, and this is a village. For example, Apapai has the nearest sub-county trading center, a little distance, over 500 kilometers away. So a person has to move there to access secretary services. That is where the challenge is.
Tupito na boy Kinitone president ko district loko Kalaki Francis Kwameringe sebalebe arai mama puganite mokina ningoshangun mame patana retungalu ichogoro reja utene ai meda uno program kalo
nile pititie program aswam engo la lomuto chalo ekoto opatana yengo adumon isirigini lu bore bone bete nga jaut ngisara ute memba lo sako dodo kwane sako ngon ekote sako ngon ija usirigina neja pugan tono itela kosi wa itela neni e banka kwana kosi lo itela ngisi ngonde patana ngalo sto itela keda ngai jaw ni sirigina neni esto soma nyakari itela ijawa ngangi ne to soma jaun kwane ngera sisirigin mambe kota ina ne conditions lo ipo so akoro nga temarebe ekoto e program lo irere ora tipete noi teretunga imeda unetotoma
konye minista lo akiron koteso Clement Keneso ngalo ngese balebe elo singese kopara monyo ngino cabinet kanua pugana inyabukor.
For me, the message that I am taking back in my report will be that it is time we stopped talking and began implementing. Let the money go to the people. Let us now begin making real mistakes that we can find ways of correcting, because we have worked on this, we have crossed the T's and put the dots and everything. But what remains now is that people want this money in their accounts so that they can begin borrowing it. Especially now you can see signs of the rain. This is the time people will be getting this money and using it to prepare their gardens, those who are going to plant. So that's the message we are going to take back.
Kanuka TV East Abraham Elapu ko district loko Kalaki.